Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys I'm going to show you how you can resolve the winrar problem. So probably you have downloaded or you have made a winrar archive, and when you go and you click on it to try to open it, it says that the archive is either in unknown format or damaged. If this is also the case for you, so I will ask you first to go to check in your control panel if you have a software called 7-zip installed. So we go to control panel. If you have view by small icons or large icons, you can always change it to category so that you are able to follow with us. And then you have to go to uninstall a program section, and here you will look for 7-zip. If you have it already installed, it's fine. If not, then you will find a download link from the official website of the software in the video description. After you download it and you install it, you will have to come to your winrar folder, and you click with the right button of the mouse, and here between the choices you will not click extract or open with winrar. You will look for 7-zip, and here you will look for open archive, and this should open the archive for you. So here I have my folder. It's called key.rar, as you can see. I will just click on it. Inside I have screen, and I will open it, and it works similarly to winrar. So to extract the folder I will have just to click, drop, drag, and here I am. I have now my folder out, and this is the folder which didn't want to open. And then you can just delete the old winrar and create new one. We're gonna click with the right button of the mouse, and we're gonna click add to archive, and we're gonna click delete after archiving, and we're gonna click OK. So now when we try to click again, as you can see, now it is opening. The error is due to a system problem with WinRAR. So all what you will have to do again is to open with WinZip to extract the folder and to make it again as a new WinRAR archive. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you have suggestions, you can always leave us a comment. If you still have problems with WinRAR, you can always leave again a comment or send us an email with a screenshot and with also a full description, and we will do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always encourage us to produce more video tutorials by just clicking like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.